Hi guys, welcome back to Ftopreview.com. In this video, we are learning how to delete a call history from your call list. Okay, just open your dial application or the phone application, this one. Then tap on three buttons like this. Then select delete option. Then you can see there is a selection options. You can select all numbers at once, or you can choose a separate contact or a individual contact. I'm choosing here this individual contact. Then click on that delete button. Bottom of the page, you can see, just tap on it. Now your phone asking delete yes or no. Just tap delete again, then you can delete the contacts like this. You can use this method to delete all contacts, also an individual contacts call history from this phone. Okay guys, it's a very simple tutorial. If you need any kind of Android or iPhone tutorial, just comment below. I will post your replies as videos so you can easily watch that. Okay guys, if you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe our channel for getting more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.